Hi, in this video, we will see how to create weekly off for the employees of the company. Weekly off is the day or days in a week when the employee is not expected to come to work. Generally, organizations have their weekly off as 1 or 2 days a week. Some companies need to function for the entire week. They assign different weekly offs for different groups of people. Some weekly offs are on the weekend, while some of them have their weekly offs during any other day or days in the week. To create weekly offs, on the home page, click the settings icon at the right-hand corner. Click Holidays. First select the year from the drop-down. If the required period is not displayed, you need to create the leave calendar by clicking Add Leave Year. You can also create a new leave year by clicking Transactions, Time Tracking Management, Leaves, Configure, and Create New Leave Year. Select the branch. In the Weekly Holiday tab, select the days you would like to have as weekly off from the Select Day drop-down menu. If you want the weekly off enabled for a specific week or weeks in a month, that is, if you want the first and third Friday off, then you will click the relevant box, that is the first and the third week. Enable the half a day if the week off is a half a day for the employees. Consider full day for leave rules. This checkbox is enabled for half a day weekly off, and any leave applied will be considered as a full day leave. Click Save. If you wish to change the week off for specific employees, you can use the option under Transactions, Time Tracking Management, Leaves, Workflow, Manage Week Off. You can either manage for a specific employee, or you can click Import to update the weekly off for employees in bulk. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.